Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, my name's Jen and I'm a self-taught nail enthusiast. And in today's video, I am going to be unboxing my August NAILBOXY box. And in this month, they partnered up with Model 1. So I'm super excited. Why don't we just go ahead and jump into the video? Okay, so this box was just inside of the box that came to my house. And as you all know, they release what's in the boxes, so it's not like a surprise or anything. Their little card this month says, "Break free and shine bright." It says, "Thank you. Hey, you may be surprised to meet us here. We are Model 1s, your love-sharing nail brand introducing the vigor and vitality of color. It's our honor to be featured in August NAILBOXY, presenting our customer-favorite products, potted glitter gels and poly extension gels. We wish you enjoy the quality of our products and the color diversity we provide throughout the journey." And it just tells you what came in the kit and their website down below. So if you guys don't already know, I'm obsessed with Model 1s. They're like probably my favorite product line and company. They are the first gel polish company that I purchased from. Honestly, I haven't found a product of theirs that I didn't like. So the first thing first that came in this box is actually a polygel kit, and they gave you two colors from the Hollywood Daylight collection, and we got the clear in 013 and 004. Coloring Life, I think that's the name of it. And then you got your base and top coat. Yep, just making sure it wasn't like a matte top coat. Sometimes I like to throw that in there. Your slip solution and your nail file. I think this was a 4 or 5 piece polygel collection, and then it came with some glitters as well. It was $45.99 in total. I'll do the math later to kind of like give us an estimate of what this would cost, but I do want to swatch the pink shade here. Now, when I apply this, when I do the nail look, I'm not going to use the dual forms. I hate them. I think the nails never come out looking great. I honestly don't know how anyone gets them to look that nice. So I'll either sculpt them or just do an overlay. Don't take that off with your mouth like I just did. Ooh, so this is like a beautiful pink shade. It's almost translucent, it looks like, so it'll be nice to use that with the glitters. That's what I'm excited about, if I'm being honest. Like, thanks for the polygel, really nice, but I want the glitters. So let's just pull those out, shall we? I have seen these glitters before on Amazon. I don't know why I never bought them. I have their diamond collection, which comes in regular bottles, and they also give you this really cute brush here. I don't know why I never purchased it. I guess I just thought they'd be like the diamond collection, and I like didn't want to spend the money on it. It was like when I was like beginning to play with nail stuff, and I don't know, I kind of felt guilty for like spending a lot of money. Not that Model 1s is expensive or anything like that, just I don't know. But now I have them and I don't have to worry about it, right? One thing that I think we should talk about is the elephant in the room with NAILBOXY. In case you didn't know, they announced last week that they are no longer going to be offering their subscription service. They are only going to be doing the mystery boxes. It's going to be like a first come, first served basis, which kind of stinks, but I kind of hear, like, I understand where they're coming from. Holy moly. These are, wow. This is like thick glitter, like chunky glitter, but like in a good way. I don't know if I'm going to open every single one of these because I mentioned I'm going to be doing a giveaway once I get to 1,000 subscribers, and I would like to give away some of the stuff that I get in my boxes because, to be honest, like, it's way too much. I should have pressed this brush out a little bit, but wow, that is so, oh my god. Okay, if you were ever going to spend money on something, if you're like a glitter fanatic like I am, like you like anything shiny, yeah, this is probably where you want to spend your money. It's so saturated with glitter, like there's not one like empty space that doesn't contain something sparkly. This, I mean, and this is just a stunning shade alone. Anyways, back to NAILBOXY, like no longer offering their subscription box. They did a live on Instagram, and I'll post their Instagram down below if you want to go watch it. You know, they kind of just explained that like it just wasn't doing well enough. Like people were not purchasing the boxes. However, they were like constantly selling out of the mystery boxes, and they just decided to focus on that, which makes total sense. If you're not making money off of something, the time and energy that you're putting into it, if it's not worth it for you, then, you know, why are you doing it? Why are you like running yourself ragged to do something that's just not really paying off? So I get where they're coming from. I wish them the best of luck, and hopefully they will have continued success, because I feel like there's not a lot of nail subscription. This brush is like super hard, by the way. There's just not a lot of nail subscription boxes out there that really offer like good products. I know the first couple boxes that I got like weren't that mind-blowing, but this to me is a really nice box. I was like super excited to see this. So I'm not going to open every single one of them because I may give some of these away. I've been like sort of collecting things and just putting them in some boxes to do a giveaway once I reach 1,000. So I don't want to like open everything if I'm not going to use it, and I don't want it to go bad. So that's another thing. They're absolutely stunning. I saw people open all of them on Instagram, and I mean, none of them disappoint. Every single one of them is absolutely stunning and gorgeous. I mean, they just sparkle to the heavens, and I can't wait to work with them. And you know that I always come out with a video showcasing that month's items. I'm working on the July one now. And the reason why it's so late is because I got that box really late, so it kind of threw off my schedule. But here's a little sneak peek of what I got going on. This one's empty because that's what I'll be doing on camera. And I'll be adding like a couple little things in there that was included in the box. So I'm going to go ahead and just kind of try to total everything up for you guys and just give you like a rough estimate. Obviously, with the polygel, it's kind of hard to give you an exact number on what it would be because it's not a total collection. But I will be back for that. Okay guys, so rough estimate of everything I got in this box was $40 this month. Is that like 100% accurate? No, that's an estimate just based on a little bit of math that I did. I think they're $29.99, so it's not that big of like a difference. Like we all know that Macart is giving us like hundreds of dollars worth of stuff in the Your Nail Lab boxes. However, I'm really excited about this stuff. This is the first box that I've received where I'm like, ooh, yes, cannot wait to work with these products. Like, I'm really, really like excited for these glitters. And it's always nice to have like a beautiful polygel this color and clear. So, and I do like that they gave us a slip solution. I just usually use alcohol. I'm curious to see if that will make a difference. And I actually do like this little brush. These things, I'll never use them. They're going right in the garbage. But I do like this little brush that it just goes into like its little case here. It's nice, compact, and it keeps it from getting, you know, messed up. So I'm excited to play with this stuff. I'm a little upset though because they posted a look on Instagram and it's literally exactly like the look that I did for my Your Nail Lab box. I'm thinking I might still do it. You guys should comment down below and let me know what kind of looks you would like to see with this stuff, because listen, honey, I'm playing with this. Like, I cannot wait. So comment down below, let me know what you want to see. That's really all I have to say about it. I mean, it's only a few things, you know. You'll see in my next, not my next video, but like the next couple videos, the look that I decide to come up with this. And as usual, please go check out my social media, Luxe Nail by Jen. That is on Twitter and Instagram. I mostly post on Instagram if I'm being honest, and I just kind of share to Twitter, but that's okay. Check out my website. That's like all of my favorite things there. Links to everything that I mention, and really just kind of like how to get started, like things that you'll need if you want to start doing your nails at home. And please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, hit that bell notification button so you never miss a mani with me. Bye guys.